Hey guys, Eric here with Charlie Division. Doing something different, doing something I've never done before. We're going to dive in a little bit to my motorsport background. Um, I I do some fire rescue services at the racetrack here in town. I've been doing that for a few years now. I've gotten connected with the Stand21 Safety Foundation. Um, Doing some education with them, doing some training with them. They become a great partner, a great friend of mine over the past couple of years. And through that connection, providing me a custom safety suit for me to wear when I'm working at the Speedway. So now they're not paying me to go through this box with you. But they have been very good friends of mine. The Morzeau family, who Yves Morzeau founded Stand21, probably 50 years ago. His sons that run the business now, they're fantastic people. I've enjoyed working with them. So we're going to do a live unboxing. This just came in the mail from FedEx today. So we're going to open it up. It's what all the cool kids are doing on YouTube, right? Unboxing videos, especially live reaction. Live reaction plus unboxing, that's like YouTube gold. So let's see what we got in here. Be careful. It arrived via FedEx. Shipping time was very short. Production time was about 8 weeks. I worked with Benoit, Stand21, their North American office in California, to come up with a cool design that I thought was kind of safety-y. Took some inspiration from some other safety teams and the suits that they wear when they're on track. Okay, all right. Of course, we have our bag. One racer. All right. That new bag smell. Stand21 racewear. Nice bag. Nice canvas bag. With my name on it. That's so cool. It's my suit in my bag that has my name on it. We have some additional pockets here. Oh, 2 pockets. All right. Oh, they're labeled. Oh, see? So your socks, your Nomex socks, go in this pocket. Your balaclava or your Nomex hood goes in this pocket, which I do have a couple of. Being on the fire rescue side of things, I wear firefighting socks, balaclavas, versus motorsport ones. They're thicker. The firefighting ones are way thicker and offer a lot more protection. They're also a lot heavier. You wouldn't want to wear it in a race car, but for the fire rescue personnel, it's what you should be wearing. Okay, then the other front pocket here, intended for your Nomex base layer and your glove, which I also have. But that's far less exciting. This. All right, here we go. Oh, it opens. Oh. It's got an ID pocket on the side, so I can tell about my stuff, or a credential holder. Looks like the perfect size to be a credential holder when you're at the track. All right, I see red. I see a little bit of red. Let's get this opened up. There we go, baby. Maintenance instructions. That'll be good to go through. Since 1970, Stand21. All right, here we go. Nice bag that I don't have to cut. Self-closing. What is this? Just my packing list? Probably just my packing list. Yes. Driver, Ericune. Close enough. Maintenance and care instructions. We'll go into this later. All right. The Stand21. It's a what's the model suit? T221, I believe. Model T221. T standing for technical suit. So it is a suit intended for technicians and engineers. So it's not as tight as a driver suit. It's a little looser, or that's what Benoit told me, which sounded, oh, this is so soft. All right. Inside the collar, very soft. This inside lining, very soft. Way softer than the stuff I typically wear at the track. Dual certified suit, FIA homologated, in addition to... Oh, yes, this looks so cool. Look at this. I got it. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Look at this. They got the chevrons. And they got... Oh my gosh. This looks so awesome. Look at that. Oh, look at this. Oh my gosh. That is fantastic. Reinforced knee. I don't have to wear knee pads because this comes with a reinforced knee. So I don't have to worry about ripping up this nice soft Nomex when I'm on my knees working on a car, checking on leaks. And of course, I did want to give some recognition to the Racing Goes Safer Foundation that has been very, very great to work with. Name across the back as well, along with my name and the Stand21 racewear logo on it. Look at this. And then, oh, okay, so these on the side, they gave me radio loops. So I have a place to put my radio. And then I thought, I'll have to look. I had asked for pass-through for the radio cable, because I wear a little earpiece when I'm on the track. So I had asked for a little pass-through for that cable to go in. I got some pockets. Ah, so light. Also, this is so this is let's see, what do we got here? FIA 8856 2018 edition, and it doesn't have the SFI 3.2A-5 label on it, but I know that if it's FIA 8856 2018, I think that's automatically compatible with the SFI 3.2A-5. There's my serial number on it. Racing suit, Stand21, racewear, made in France. Yes, it is. Oh, and my kids are telling me that it's almost pizza night. 100% aramid fiber. All right, let's try it on. What do you say? Oh, check this out. Oh, it's so comfy. This is proper. I had asked them if they could make this striping reflective, because some other safety teams, they actually have reflective on their suits. They said they didn't have any reflective material that was FIA homologated, so I would have to settle for silver. But it sure looks the part, doesn't it? Got the stripe down the side on the pants. This is so light. So this is a 3-layer suit.
The other suits I typically wear 2-layer, but this is so much lighter because this is probably three thinner layers compared to the 2 thicker layers and the other stuff. This is so light. Oh, it's so comfy. Oh, and when I'm working at the track in the summertime, this is not going to be nearly as miserable to be wearing all day. So, arm gussets, good movement. I can reach. It doesn't ride up. It doesn't bunch. I got plenty of length in the pant legs here when I'm wearing boots. Again, I've got these reinforced knees. They're nice. This is very nice. And it doesn't have a back gusset. It does have some elastic here in the waist. But I'm not as concerned about not having a back gusset because, you know, this suit was measured for me. Like this was a custom suit for me. So I don't have a bunch of excess suit in places that I don't need it. This is just my suit and it fits me. So I have full range of motion. Oh, this is so comfortable. I could wear this as pajamas. Yes, Stand21. Thank you so much. Your support means a lot to me. I think the Safety Foundation is doing great things. You know, I look forward to continuing to work with you guys for a long time to help promote safer racing. Racing is inherently dangerous. It's a crazy sport. People that do it are crazy. You know, that was my background, motorsport. I understood it's crazy. But it's important to make it as safe as we can. And, you know, having properly educated teams, properly educated drivers, properly educated safety crews is all part of it. The sport can be reasonably safe if people know what they're doing. So, you know, thank you for making me a part of your organization. And for those of you that ended up watching this video, thank you for watching. I hope you found it informative. Not many people that aren't drivers are testing out safety suits. So, yeah, next time you're at the track, give a little wink and a nod to the safety workers there at the track. And just know that their suits are old and they're itchy and they're not nearly this comfortable. They probably haven't been replaced in a long time. So, yeah, give your track safety workers a little bit of credit. But yeah, go racing, have fun, be fast out on the track, and be safe. I'll talk to you later.